to remove the side. So we use the fixture, especially we use 1, 2, 3, 4 in one time to milling all the side frame. Make a good reference as a basic to give the precise. So this process we use milling CNC entry milling to remove the rust. We use this milling machine to cutting the original material. So we can cutting this part very precise one time. So we can use in the rest material to make the cylinder block, to assembly the cylinder block. So this is all the process we do for the 618 frame. Precise to keep the frame, the side is precise. That's why we can make a good painting. Precise, we do the hole to milling and clipping. This is the CNC machine center. This is to after for the side, for the edge, the hole clipping and the drilling.